Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, October 29th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 13 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, welcome to this Friday Halloween edition of the trading plan. We started off Friday with a morning half gap play. Now, right before 8:30 there was a news announcement, but as soon as that news announcement was done, we came down and had our normal fill for the what we would play for our pre-market half gap. That did equal targets 1 and targets 2 for 10 ticks to the upside, and the market pushed higher into the open, and after the open it pushed up into and past the Globex high, came down through our moving average, gave us a nice trade setup, came back to this 78.50 level and gave us a signal entry, hit it to the tick. There was no real opportunity to get fill on that, went on down to hit what would have been T1 and 2, but we're just going to count that as a no fill, no trade, because you were just hit to the tick and it was very unlikely that anyone would have received a fill on that. Then the market came back up through the moving average, actually again hit to the tick, but this time it hit a total of 5 times there and eventually did fill. Got your first contract off, ultimately got stopped out of that for a T1 minus 2, and as we came down through our moving average, we had a bounce off the 10:45 confirmation time in the open, and again it was a hit to your entry to the tick, so we're going to assume that you did not get fill on this first touch, but since we didn't get the push down to look for a T2 entry, we actually would have remained in the market looking for an order, and we actually would have been filled as it came back up the second time. And on this particular one, we ultimately were traded right through and stopped out, so we ended up with a T0 minus 14 on that one, a full stop out. Then there was a push to the upside, not enough to set up a signal entry long, but then we came down and there was enough of a movement for the short. We actually had a signal to get short right before the dead zone, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks. So the morning was a push. There was some trades in there, and net result was 0 on the morning. And then we come out of the lunchtime dead zone, the market continued to push down, and we got this nice full swing movement to the upside, which ultimately filled after the 1:15 time frame, and we actually had targets 1 and targets 2 for 13 ticks that would have been touched to the upside on that. And then there was not an opportunity before the market died off there in the afternoon and got into the sideways action. So that was it. 5 trades for 13 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.